Do you want to create t-shirts with eye-catching scenes, patterns, landscapes, and more? Then all over print or AOP shirts are the way to go. Hey, I'm Leah, and I'm here to tell you that AOP is a special technique that lets you create a stunning fashion statement and leave with more profits. Let us show you how. Explore our all-over print clothing in the catalog, or select t-shirts and filter by print area. Select all over print. We'll choose the unisex AOP Cut Sew Tee. This means the design will be printed on the fabric first and then cut and sewn into a t-shirt. Let's start designing. Drag and drop any design file right into the mockup generator, or add an image from your device, Shutterstock, cloud storage, or Printify graphics library. I'll choose an image from Shutterstock, which only needs to be paid for once I sell my shirt. Notice the print area and bleed area of the shirt. White is the print area, and the dashed line represents a safe area. Any important graphic elements that you want fully visible should be positioned within the safe area. Gray is the bleed area, which serves a functional purpose for seams and other sewn elements. The design should still fully cover this area so we don't see any white at the seams. Adjust the size of the design by dragging any corner and rotate here if needed. Choose a background color here, or enter the hex code of your desired color, and select a seam color here. Individually add and adjust your image to each area of the shirt, or select Apply to all print areas. Adjust the image for each area as necessary. Preview your t-shirt, and once you're happy with the design, save your product. Let's design another AOP shirt, but create our own pattern this time. We'll choose the AOP Crop Tee. Let's start by choosing an element from the Printify graphics library. Next, click Create Pattern. We can select a pattern style here, or manually adjust the spacing, angle, and offset of our design element. Change the size of your design by dragging any corner, or rotate by dragging any edge. This can also be done more precisely in the right sidebar. Click and drag the design to adjust the entire placement of your pattern. Remember to double-check the bleed area and to cover the entire product template. More information can be seen by clicking here. We can change the color of the shirt here, and the seam color here. Now, let's apply our pattern to the rest of the shirt by clicking Apply to all print areas. Make any adjustments on each print area as needed. Lastly, we'll add some text to the front of our shirt. Click Add Design, then Custom Text. Enter your text, select a font, and choose a color. Adjust the size and placement by clicking and dragging, or adjust more precisely in the right menu. When you're finished, preview your design. If no adjustments are needed, save your product. If you have an extraordinary idea for a shirt, experiment with AOP for something truly original to get those max profits. Looking for some extra guidance or have questions? Ask us down below, and then like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for even more inspiration.